You're going to start off with 8 chains. Make your slip knot first, and then you're going to work those chains in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then you're going to work into the 4th chain from your hook. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And in that 4th chain, you're going to insert 6 double crochets. So yarn over to start your double crochet, insert into that loop, pull over, make your double crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 double crochets. Now we're going to work back into that chain that we've made. So in the next chain, you're going to insert a double crochet. In the next, you're going to insert a half double crochet. In the next, a single crochet. And in the last chain, you're going to slip stitch first. Then chain, and then slip stitch. This creates the pointy tip for your leaf. Oops. Now we're going to work along the other side of the chain here, on this side. In that next chain, you're going to insert a single crochet. Then in the next chain, a half double crochet. And then in the next, a double crochet. Then you're going to work back into that same space here in the very last chain by inserting 6 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you might find that your leaf is a little bit floppy. You'll want to kind of stretch the stitches, shift them around just a bit to even it out. Once you manipulate it a tad with your fingers, you will go ahead and have this nice leaf shape. Finish up this entire leaf by inserting a slip stitch into the very first double crochet that you made, like so. If you want to crochet a stem, you can make a few chains and then work back doing single crochets. Or if you are going to attach this to your bag, which is part of my Japanese knot bag pattern, you can go ahead and make any number of chains that you want for the length of your attachment here. And after you make a long chain, slip stitch back into the same stitch. This leaf was actually designed for my botanical Japanese knot bag. If you'd like to make it too, be sure to check out the description box for the full video tutorial. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful one. Bye now.